back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to another review. So in today's video I would be reviewing Madam Glam gel nail polishes, and along with that I would be doing a swatches plus as well as I would be doing a wear test for one of the nail polishes in this. So if you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So definitely I know that most of you guys are not aware of gel nail polish. Even I recently came across this gel nail polish and I so wanted to try this, and I finally ordered from Madam Glam. So these Madam Glam gel nail polishes are popular in salons as well. As you guys can see that the outer packaging looks something like this, and it comes in a black cardboard box. And as soon as I open this, so in this kit you will be receiving all three different colors with the base coat and top coat, along with the UV LED lamp to dry your gel nail. So the first shade what I have received here is this is a special pink gel nail polish, and the second shade what I have received here is mimosa. This is something, it's mustard kind of a color. And the third shade what I have received here is the blue, it's called as an lagoon. So it's a very beautiful blue color actually. So I am wearing blue color, so I might match this with my dress. And also they have a soak off base coat, so this is the base coat, and I have also received the soak off top coat, so this is a top coat what I have received. So along with that you will be receiving a UV LED lamp. So let me open this. So let me show you how exactly this looks. Okay. So in this you will be receiving a small little instruction note actually, and you will be receiving a wire and plus the LED lamp. So this is a very cute little lamp you will be receiving to dry your gel nail polish, and along with the wire. So I'll just connect this and I will show you how exactly it's been used. So to start off with my nails, I've already prepped my nails and I've already removed my nail polish as well. So to start off with this, I would be using the base coat first. First I'll apply the base coat, then the gel nail polish, and then the top coat. So the LED light looks something like this, and you just have to connect this wire here, and then you can connect this wire to your laptop. So now I have connected this to my laptop, and all you just have to do is you just have to press this button for a second, and you can see the LED light here. So once you're done applying the base coat, then you just have to dry the base coat first. So it takes about 60 seconds to dry your base coat. So yeah, so I guess 60 seconds is done. So I think it's been dried. Okay, I think it's dried up now. So I would be using Madam Glam gel nail polish, and it's in the shade Lagoon. So I would be using this blue shade. So my base coat is dried up with the LED light. So I'm done applying the nail polish. So the blue color looks something like this, and to again I have to dry this up. So to dry this up again, I'll be using the LED UV light. Again I'll place it and I will just dry this up. So I guess now it's dried up completely. So now I'll be applying the top coat. So in this way your nail polish will last very longer. So now I've applied the top coat. Again, I'll be placing my fingers underneath the UV light to, you know, dry up. So again, this will take about 60 seconds to dry up. So this is my final result. I will be showing how you can apply on your fake nails as well. So I've already applied on my nails. First we need to apply the base coat. So now I'll use the LED light to dry this up. So the first shade is the Mimosa. So this is a kind of a mustard color. So I'll be applying this one first. So as you can see that I'm done applying this. So it's pretty easy to apply. So again, I'll place underneath the UV light. The second shade, I'll be applying this pink color. So this is a special pink. So this seems to be a light shade actually. So the base coat is dried again in this. So the base coat is dried up. So again, I'll be applying this pink shade. Oops. Oh my god, this color looks very, very beautiful. First shade is the blue. So this is the final result. Still there is an option for you guys to mix and match. So since I just had 3 different color nail polish, so I could just mix and match with the blue and yellow and blue and pink, and again there's a blue and yellow. So yeah, this is the final result. So Madam Glam has all the wide varieties of nail polish with them. So they have all kind of different varieties of gel nail polish. They have neon, nudes, glass, glitter, shimmer, diamond, platinum, cat eye, peacock, ink, and much more. And also they have a base coat, top coat, remover, and builder as well. Buy a full set of nail polish, you can definitely go for single nail polish as well. So they have all kind of different varieties of nail polish. They do have a poly gel nail polish, and if you want to buy a UV LED light, they also have all accessories as well for the nail care. So you can definitely check out their website for more information. So these gel nail polishes are 100% vegan and it's cruelty free. Main difference between the gel nail polish and the normal nail polish is the gel nail polish will last very long, actually more than 2 weeks. So when you compare with the normal nail polish, because normal nail polish will not last more than 3 days. So that's the difference between the normal and the gel nail polish. To purchase this Madam Glam gel nail polish, you can directly visit Madam Glam website, or else I'll provide you the link in my description box. And make sure while purchasing, use this below code to get additional 30% discount on this product. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and keep supporting, keep loving me in this way, and see you until my next video. Bye bye.